I don't expect to even complete this game because... Oh, we're not doing VHS. We're doing that. Let's do Orbital. I have a flashlight this time. Yeah, well, I feel that normally anyway, because I have no sense of direction, so that's perfect for me.
No comment about...
No? Damn, it must be really hard. I'm scared. I just know there's a fucking psycho that chases you with the drill, but that's not really a spoiler considering the title. Oh, thank you, Justin. I was worried because I was like, I don't really know what makeup to do because she doesn't really wear makeup, so I wanted to do like a no makeup makeup. Everything moves? No fucking way. They just want you to be disoriented. Screen? Damn, that's fucking bright. Like, Jeff? Are you okay? Ugh, I can't feel my legs. Don't worry, Jeff. I'll go get help. Yeah, that I just can't with the bright mode. This is the worst headache ever. But I think I'm alright. Alright is spelled wrong. It's getting dark. Better get the flashlight out of the trunk. Okay, space is the right button. Not E. Why would they change it? What is that sound? Okay. Holy shit. It's like... I don't even know what to make of it. It sounds like a very strange, disoriented fart. You're afraid to turn your volume... Okay, that almost got me. We didn't even start the game yet. Oh, I can run, okay. It's times like these I'm glad I have a limiter on my headphones. Yeah, I even turned it way down for myself as well. I'm just not sure where to go. There, maybe? The fuck was that? Oh yeah, that looks totally safe and not haunted or something. Yeah, I wonder why. I turn it up as loud as I can. I want to feel terrorized and have my eardrums. Well, oh my god. Oof. Oh, well, that's nice. Can I interact with this? Some kids? That doesn't really look like a kid did this, lady. Come on. There's no way I can sneak in there. Not that I really want to, but yeah. I'm stuck on something. Oh, never mind. What is with that view? That's creepy. It looks like I'm supposed to go in there, but it doesn't let me. Let's check over here, I guess. Hearing the birds chirp is a nice change. Yeah, she's not even out of breath or anything. I don't get it. I had an itch, that's why I did that. These fucking camera angles don't help, man. She's a runner and track star. I'm really scared. The wind is not helping. The sound... Even though I've gotten kind of used to that sound living in Illinois. Man, these controls. It's just the wind, yeah. Just... I don't want to go up here. Let me see if my controller responds. Hold on a minute. It does not, just as I thought. Pretty sure anyone would run into it. If that's a meatpacking plant, it better not be. I guess I'm not supposed to be over here. The camera is inspired from the first... Yeah, definitely the fixed camera. It definitely gives me RE vibes. And that made it more scary, to me at least. We've gotten so spoiled by over-the-shoulder games. But that's why this would be easier with the controller, if it doesn't let me use it, so... Ooh, what's over here? Ooh. Let me think. No. Is a knobhead and mother elders helping. Oh. I'm sorry to hear that. My parents kind of annoy me sometimes, too. As soon as I enter the warehouse... Oh, nice. Cool. Can I go... I heard the door locked, but like maybe I can lockpick it or something? Nope. Okay. Somebody locked me in. Alright. Brace your eardrums, I'm just warning you again, because this shit is nuts. It's okay, I'm deaf. I kind of am too, but, you know. I don't like this, I don't like this. Oh, what's this? Some graffiti. It's those damn kids again. Drawing pentagrams and Baphomet sigils everywhere. This looks like it hasn't been occupied in a very long time. Vending machine? I'd love some expired candy. Are you kidding me? Why did that scare me? That's not even... was that a door? I heard a door. Oh, nice. I'm glad that you got hearing aids. It really does help. Like, you're like, damn, I didn't know that that even made noise, you know? Well, at least that's how it was for me. I can't hear certain frequencies on my own. Let me move up a little bit, because my posture is horrible. Okay, I was there before. Let's fuck them devs. Well, you might like VHS, so... That's coming out soon, TM. What was that? I don't know if it's the game glitching or trying to scare me. I don't know. Yeah, they don't really put a date on it, but... Warframe? Have you been playing that recently? What? Huh? No. Oh, okay, I have a checkpoint. Okay, thank goodness. I thought I had to do all that shit again. Just like someday they will have a Vampire Masquerade sequel. This guy just came out and fucking murdered me. Couldn't even get a good look at him. It seems like it's completely random, because I lasted a lot longer before. Oh god, I hear something. I hear something. Spacebar. Yeah, I died. But it let me restart part. It let me restart at the door, which is nice. So I don't mind. Yeah, this is talking about the missing campers. And it's just laid out there for me to see, you know? Greasy old toilet. Okay, no key. At least I got one. This is where I came. No, I know you wouldn't. You don't seem like the type to use that. The real answer is never part of the pool. Fair enough. Wonder if it is in one of the bathrooms. What is that? We got two. Can you pick that up? No? Okay. Is that the same one, or like, cause... Oh, the search continues. Is that the same one? Oh. No possible signs of a struggle. Yeah, because you don't even get to see who the killer is, you just die. 5 years ago. Favorite games so far. I do like this one, but I haven't really progressed much. What is my favorite one now? I mean, out of all of them, it's gonna be Murder House, to be honest. What the fuck is that? It flashed white again. Wait, what is that? Fucking weird picture. The wacky spider game? It was pretty quirky. I don't hate it, but it's not my favorite. Do I hear breathing? I'm losing my mind. Yeah, this is the area that I fucking hate. Oh, it loaded to another room. Oh my god. This is like a maze. You can see me at all times in here. Oh man. This is probably where the last key is, though. No. Oh my god, I was like, no, please. Just don't get caught by him and you don't get the weird cutscene. Oh. Man, I had 2 keys. Surprise! Oh yeah, just don't die, like, easy. I keep freaking panning in and scaring me. What? It says, that says yoinks? Yeah, that was a good one. I knew I was dead. I'm just like, make it quick. I don't think keys would be in here, but I check anyways. Scooby-Doo reference? Oh my god. I just like slammed my keyboard. I'm sorry, keyboard. It's okay, we didn't even find anything, so. What time is it? 4. I got a few more tries in me and I'm gonna get something to eat soon. So far I have enjoyed this game the most, because it's been working the most. I mean, I did crash, but the other ones are just a little... This one just has that atmosphere, you know? A fucking high-pitched drill sound. No key. Camera is so disorienting, man. Okay, that's the article. Oh my god. I knew it was coming and it still got me. Yeah, it is. I'm just glad they don't make you start all the way at the beginning. So I'd be kind of annoyed then. Mm-hmm. Oh boy, the place where I always die. No, 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 no! I was like, let me avoid the tunnel and try another row and hopefully live a little longer. Nope. It's like, he's like, I knew you would do that. That's why I was over here this time. Fucker. I think there's just never anything in those rooms. Yeah. I like that though. I don't want to be... Well, I do like being safe in Resident Evil. I like the safe room, but... I like the feeling of just always being watched. In game only, not in real life. I just want to get a good look at him. Like, it doesn't let me really look at him. Oh god, that noise. Yeah, and that music is so calming. I'm even afraid to run because I'm just feeling like I'm running to my grave. Oh, that's the door. He just, yeah, he's very random. And the keys also spawn in random spots too. I hate this, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. This is the one that said surprise. I don't want to go here. Oh, wait. Oh, it loaded to a new room. I have to not go to the one that says surprise. I'm unsure if he even looks like anything. Yeah, I didn't even see what he looked like. I don't know which way is the right way. One of them is dead end and you will get killed no matter what, it looks like. I don't know which one that is. That's the chair, okay. It's not here, is it? Please don't be here. I don't know which way it is. Okay, they both look equally fucking spooky. I don't know which way. Yeah, he definitely has a sense of humor. No, that's a dead end. That's a dead end. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I thought I was for sure dead there, but I guess here? Okay, they're both. What? Okay, I guess I gotta go to the chair. Oh wait, this is up. I can't go here. Oh, I can. Too heavy. Hmm. Oh no, it froze. It usually freezes when I interact with things. But I have to interact with things to know what's going on. Yeah, I'm gonna call it anyway. We can look for someone to raid. Man, this is wild. Like, I love these games, but holy shit, some of them are a little too much. Like, too glitchy. Is it still on the screen? Yeah, it's still on the screen. Um, we can actually raid Flash. He was here. He's actually watching the VHS dev video, so that's the new asymmetrical horror game that I was talking about. Let me get the ads out of the way, because fuck ads. And I can do my ending screen stuff. I wanted to go a little bit longer. I'm sorry. I think 3 hours is solid, but yeah, I have a new screen for the subs right here. Special thank you to my coffee. I think it's pronounced coffee subs. So, the exclamation coffee actually. I don't think I added it to my other thing yet. That's an alternate way to support me if you don't want to sub here, or you can additionally do that if you want. You don't have to, but there's other benefits to subbing there. Like I upload like private vlogs and bloopers and stuff like that, and you also get a free drawing every month. There's other little things too I gotta add. But yeah, it's been a pleasure for sure. I thank you guys for dealing with all the tech difficulties I had. Like, holy fuck. I really appreciate it because I had no idea what I was getting into with this game or these games.